My name is Clara. I'm a senior interface designer. I just got promoted at Skydio, and I'm going blue boarding. I am terrified, but also really excited. Okay, let's go. This is definitely the most insane thing I've ever done. We're good. That is just about the craziest thing I have ever done. So I just finished my aerobatic flight. That was so insane. We did loops and rolls and spins, and the pilot taught me about what happens when you stall one wing of the plane. We felt it like rock, and then he like turned it into a spin, and like it was really cool. I told the pilot, like, maybe I should get my private pilot's license now. Like, this was such a fun experience. I never thought I would be interested in planes. But this was really beautiful and cool, and it was so peaceful. Like, I thought it was gonna be crazy thrill ride adventure, but it was like peaceful and awesome. And I got to see the like greens of the valley, and like, it just felt like every moment we were hanging in the air was frozen in time. I don't know. This was really cool. Thank you, Charles. Thank you, Blue Board. I'm really glad I got to try this.